Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video I will show you guys how to log into your Costco credit card online. The Costco credit card, especially the Costco Anywhere Visa card by Citi, is a credit card that is designed to offer rewards and benefits to Costco members, which can be used for gasoline purchase, cashback rewards, and travel benefits as well. Citibank has created a website for Costco Anywhere Visa card online. Now for the login to Costco credit card, open up a preferred web browser and on the search tab type citibank.com and enter. You will be redirected to this homepage. Now here on the right side of your display, you will see a login panel. Enter your user ID and password. If you in case have forgotten your username or password, you can recover them from this forgot user ID or password link here. If you do not have a registered account, then you can activate or register from this activate or register link here. If you have forgotten your account credentials, then you can also sign on with QR code by scanning another device QR code. After you provide all the essential credentials, click on this sign on button here. Once you are logged into your Citibank account, you will be able to access your Costco credit card bank online. So this was it for today guys. I hope you all guys liked the video, and if you guys found the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.